Hey everyone, welcome. This is Candace Harrison with Nail Tech Cash and SixFigureNailTech.com, where I'm showing you how to take your nail technician business to the next level. What you're looking at right now is my blog, and I'm going to be covering today's video, and we're going to be talking about, are you ready for booth rental or working from home? We're talking about making that transition from employee to self-employed. Now, maybe you're working for a salon right now on a commission basis, or maybe you're working on a per hour basis, and you're thinking to yourself, I think I'm ready to step out on my own, to start my own nail business. Now, guys, that is always a great and wonderful idea because number one, you're going to remove that cap on your earnings, and you're going to be able to make as much money as you want, and you're going to be able to let your creative juices flow in your business. However, if you are not prepared for this transition, it can be a very ugly experience. So that's why I kind of wanted to make sure that I included this post on my site so that everyone, all the nail techs, could have an understanding of what it really means to be out on your own. So if you're thinking that you're ready for booth rental or working from home, here are some things to consider before stepping out on your own. Here's what that really means. Here's what it means to work from home. Here's what it means to rent space. It means that you understand that you are no longer an employee. You are responsible for getting your own clientele. You are not entitled to the foot traffic coming through the salon doors at which you are renting a booth. You're responsible for your own supplies. You're not entitled to any of the salon supplies where you're renting. You're responsible for your own calls and customer service. And you're not entitled to utilize the front desk as your own staff. So what does all this mean? So if you're working from home and you're wondering, how do I get clients? Or you're feeling unsure about the steps that you need to take to make your business grow. Perhaps you're working long hours and you're still not making enough money to cover the bills. It means that you haven't properly planned out how you are going to run your business. You know, when you don't have the salon to lean on anymore, you have to educate yourself on how to run your business. And for booth renters, if you still expect that you're entitled to the salon's clients, their walk-ins, their supplies, and their staff, it means that you really haven't left the mindset of being an employee. You will have a hard time surviving, and this is really in either scenario. And also, this type of business model may not sit well with the salon owner you are renting from because they consider you an independent contractor, and they're not responsible for anything concerning your business. Okay. And I mentioned this because some nail techs, renting space, have been known to feel that they should be in rotation with the salon employees for walk-ins. And the truth is those walk-ins belong to the salon and not to the person that's renting space. You're an independent contractor. You're not entitled to the walk-ins. And then on occasion, sometimes nail techs will run low on supplies and they will help themselves to the salon's inventory. And here again, you're not entitled to the supplies of that salon. All of that belongs to the salon and not the booth renter. So if you do not have a full grasp, of what it means to work for yourself, renting a booth or working from home may not be the right move just yet. So you should not start a business on your own right now if you do not understand how to get and keep clients. You have no clients, you can't afford to pay for your supplies or just good quality supplies. You can't afford the rent. You have no understanding of customer service. You have no idea how much it's going to take to live comfortably working on your own. That means, keeping the books, managing your money, understanding the numbers. And also, if you don't have a business plan and you haven't educated yourself on running a salon, you are not ready to make that transition. Now, some of you may think, well, I have 100 clients right now. So I'm ready. I could survive on my own. But sometimes having 100 clients especially when you're working for someone, may not be enough to succeed on your own. For example, when you were, let's say, working for a salon, you may have access to all of the best quality products. And now that you're working on your own, you're trying to cut back and you're using cheaper products to try to help offset the cost of running your business. And sometimes clients will pick up on that and they will kind of, slowly kind of drop off because they're just not getting that same quality that you were offering when you were in the shop. And then too, if the salon you were at, they offered some really nice amenities and now you don't have that anymore, you would find that some of your clients will not follow you because you're not offering certain things that they have come to like. So, okay, let me scroll down here too. And then also you may be faced with a non-compete agreement. So while you have 100 clients right now, when it's all said and done, you may only end up with 25 clients. So you have to keep that in mind, that while you have a lot of clients now, that may not be enough to help you survive on your own. So my advice to you, whether you consider working from home or you want to go into booth rental, is to learn everything you can before you make that big leap. Don't go into booth rental or working from home because you're frustrated and you're unhappy with your current situation. Go into booth rental or working from home because you are fully prepared and have done all of your business planning. Use the time where you are to learn everything you can about running a salon and marketing your business. Practice so that you become proficient and exceptional at what you do. This will help in attracting more clients, and it will also help you to be able to price your services at a level where you can afford all that you need, and also be able to pay yourself a good salary. So you want to make sure that before you step out there, be fully prepared. And this is basically what this article is about. So I don't want to make this video too long. If you're interested, if you're thinking right now that you want to transition from being an employee to working for yourself, visit my blog at sixfigurenailtech.com. and check out the articles over there. There's so much that can help you take your business to the next level. So check me out. Visit me. And on that note, I want everyone to have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.